I feel bad.
Ni hao YouTube from the beautiful city of
Hangzhou.
Today we're going to be seeing robots.
Wow.
Not just robots, but the technology here in Hangzhou. We're talking about smart cities, cloud technologies, and robotic tech. So come along with us today, be right beside us, and let's see the smart cities and technology of China. Is it really as good as they say? Let's find out.
Let's step into the future.
Let's go to the future. Okay, so here we are in front of the robots. This looks like a servo robot. This one looks like a robot that plays drums.
Yeah, look at his hair.
Oh my gosh. And let's come over here, let's see. Oh, this is like the famous one that's on everyone's... Whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. Pink baby
robot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. So guys, in here, in this room, it sort of shows how all the different tech is made. So it's all unboxed and you can see all the different wires and the different components, the little tiny, motherboards and everything like that. And over here as well, we have all of the same things. So you've got all of the open compartments and you can see how everything's placed together. So what does this robot do?
Connects with your brain.
Yeah.
So this is one of my favorite because
Yeah.
it's really useful.
So people that don't have arms, this
Can connect.
device here, it connects, it gives you an arm.
Yeah.
And then it connects to your brain and your nerves to then move your hand.
Yep. How crazy, incredible is that?
That's amazing. So
Yeah.
anyone born without an arm or lose an arm in a car crash, they have now a way to have their arm again.
That's so good.
Wow.
Yeah.
So guys, as you can see here on this video, you've got the robotics. Now this one is quite different compared to what we have over here. Over here is actually AI. Now robotics is very fast because everything is in the exact same spot it needs to be. But this one, the AI, it has to work out where it is. See, I could move it here and see how it didn't pick it up, so now I'll find it again. And there. But see how this one takes a lot more time. It's not as fast, and it sometimes isn't always as accurate. I think we're a good 5 years off yet from going from this slow speed to something very fast like this, like a car production line where they move extremely fast because everything is in the right spot. But AI still has to think for itself.
I think they are like a baby.
What's
And
that?
I think they are like a baby and we gotta train them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like
Because-
AI robots nowadays, I think are like 3 years old, but we need to train them to be like 12.
Exactly, like 5 years before it wasn't.
Wasn't even here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
It takes time.
Time.
But this is exciting because we're seeing the future. We're seeing that, hey, one day this guy here could be packing your shopping and could be doing it really fast.
that's right.
and hopefully not breaking your chips as he squeezes the bag really tightly. So we're a long way off, but it's good to see this is like
The start.
the beginning. And just like when cars were invented, they didn't go 100 kilometers an hour. They went maybe like, 30 or 40 kilometers an hour. But now they go, 240 kilometers an hour. So yeah, it's good to see you at the start, my friend. Think about it, robot dogs, they've got guns attached to them. Why sacrifice a human's life when you have a robot dog? They're really, really innovating here. Obviously that gun doesn't work, but you get the idea. Okay, so they're about to jump in VR land right now. This whole area is for a VR game. You can see here there's guns on the wall, and Sophia is just getting set up right now with her VR headset and gun. What's it look like in there?
Wow, I have pistols, shotguns, automatic guns, rifles, machine guns. Where are you?
I'm right here.
Okay, which gun do you think I should choose?
Choose machine gun, it'll be the easiest. Okay, so you just finished the VR. How was
That
it?
was so much fun.
Did you get
It
the
was
high
like
score?
Fortnite. Yeah. You wanna see?
Yeah, sure. Let's see.
My name is Tiny.
Your name is Tiny and you got 5.
11.
Oh, 11.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
And yeah, that's the highest.
Good job. Wow, you got the high score. Wow. Okay, so yeah, behind me we have the AI glasses and AR, I should say, augmented reality. So it's similar to VR, but it brings the computer life into your current reality. So these glasses are basically see-through and they can put things up like text messages, like movies, even live translation. So I'm about to try the live translation ones on now, and here's my reaction.
会变成英文在你的面前。
Oh, it's translating.
对，你
Okay.
现在体验的是一个翻译的功能。这样一个翻译
Yeah,
器
so whatever she's saying to me, guys, in Chinese, I can see it. So it says it's not
包括
that
你的语言，
necessary.
不管是法
You're
文、
experiencing
德
a
文、日
translation.
文，都可以变成英文换成
Everything
中
I
文
say can be translated to English. Wow, this is so cool.
不需要背稿子。
Can I film this? Oh, there we go. You might also be wondering, Jack, how are you getting data? What's the best way to get a SIM card? Well, that's where Nomad eSIM comes in. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that Nomad has been a part of my travels for years now. I use them in every country that I go. So you might be thinking, Jack, what is an eSIM? Well, let me break it down. Essentially, an eSIM is an app on your phone that creates a digital SIM card. So all you have to do is install the Nomad app on your phone, click what country you want, and buy a package. I went onto the Nomad app and chose the package that I wanted. And bam, as soon as I touched down, I had data just like that. So no more lining up in long queues at the airport waiting for your physical SIM card. Personally, I find that having an eSIM is a great thing to have. Being able to have data when you're seeing the immigration officer and having to show your hotel booking, or even when you're just traveling around and needing Google Maps, posting Instagram photos, and I can even hotspot my phone to upload YouTube videos as well. If you use my code JACK92CB, you will get a bit of a discount on your first purchase of an eSIM. So if you're interested in getting an eSIM on your next trip, then click my link below in the description box and get started by downloading the Nomad app today. Okay, so we are at...
The beautiful West Lake behind me.
That's right. Look at this beautiful lake here, guys. They have a lovely bridge there with the little Chinese architecture roof. We might go over there soon. We've got people cleaning and moving around. We've got beautiful sunset happening with the lovely lily pads. Let's go around and explore this place. It's almost, what's the time? 4:30 and the sun is setting, so such a lovely time to come here.
Let's go there.
Okay, so what are we buying?
Got myself a scarf.
Nice silky scarf, eh?
Yeah, like.
So just 10 RMB.
I'm
Such
just
a good
gonna,
price.
Try and put it on my head.
Now I'm so fine. You look at me when I say I'm not emotional. I haven't cried for days. I run in pace. I'm so fine. Do you see me through?
Good morning, guys. It is the next day and we've came to see more robot exercises. These robots look really cool. A lot better than the ones yesterday. Let's go see. So guys, this one here is actually an automated version. So there's no remote control. And as you can see, that is amazing. So you can see there the camera module on the top. So that's scanning its scenarios and all of the objects in the way so it doesn't crash into anything. So this can essentially patrol the streets. It can alert back to base if there's something wrong, if there's a problem on the streets. It also gives cameras into places where cameras aren't, and it can go into places where there may be bombs or maybe different things, them going over pipes, climbing up different ramps and stuff. So this is really cool. Now the main dogs that they have are controlled by remote control, but that one is completely autonomous and completely AI, which is just incredible actually. Today we're going to see some really cool stuff. Yesterday was more of the commercial, your everyday people buying those type of robots, and they're even trying to crack into the mining sector as well, to send dogs into the mining places to see what resources are needed, and for those dangerous mines that aren't ready yet to go inside with humans. So this is some really cool cutting edge stuff. What do you think?
This one looks more realistic and strong.
Yeah, really strong, right? You know, one thing I noticed, there's holes at the top of the top base of the dog, and there you can attach different models like guns, like cameras, maybe medical kits or whatever's needed. You could probably even attach a propeller for it to fly around one day. like
a drone.
A drone dog, yeah.
Like kind of over here because it has a camera in front.
Oh, okay. Like here? Here's okay?
But just get away a little bit because it's kind of get away a little bit and then you can
Okay, what are you
Okay,
gonna
so
do?
we're about to test out the dog's durability, and I'm going to kick the dog like this, and let's see if it still stays up or if it catches itself or if it falls over. Let's see.
Let's find out.
Yeah, let's find out. Okay, so just here, right?
Yeah.
Just here's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, that's
Whoa.
strong. Whoa.
Yeah, you can do even harder, like not a side.
Being stronger than you.
Yeah.
I can do it harder than that?
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright, one more. Gosh, that is crazy, guys.
That
I
is
really tried to
impressive.
get it then. And you can see how it just lowers its legs to catch itself. So in a real world scenario, if someone's really trying to get that thing, then
No,
it's
no
not
way.
going anywhere. It's standing up
You wanna
straight.
try one one last
You
time.
want to try?
No, I don't want
You try. You just do a small one.
No.
Right now on the grass. Whoa, that was pretty good. Oi. Nice. At the top, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Cool.
I can't.
No, that's
do it.
okay. So I can try so hard to even flip it, right? Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm gonna break it though. Oh, almost. Alright, one more. Angle's a bit weird.
Tough one.
Ooh.
Oops. I feel bad.
Okay, this one is back and forth,
Yep.
left and right.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Alright guys, so we're
Try
now
a little
going...
slower, okay?
Okay, so we're now going to try and control the dog. It's this dog here. So let's see. Wow. Oh, it's really like... That's cool.
Just like a drone.
Yeah.
Control itself is very sensitive.
Bring it here.
Wow. It's pretty easy to control, isn't it? Yours looks a bit drunk. Okay guys, so this drone actually tests the water quality by the infrared and camera sensors in the drone. And it's just coming back now. I just did a quick loop, all automated, no controllers needed, and it does this once a day to check the water quality of this lake. There's also many drones like this all around China that test the power cables and see if any of the power cables are rusted. So here it comes. Radio guys, so we just got off the little boat then. By the way, these are electric, which is super cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this is also their drinking water, hence why it's electric. You have to keep the water clean. So guys, that is Hangzhou and the amazing technology and robotics we saw here today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always,
Keep it real.
cheers.